Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a PDF file in Framer so visitors can either download it or view it directly on your website. There are two simple methods, so let's get started. The first method, you can add the PDF as a downloadable file, open Framer and select the project where you want to place the PDF. Next, click the insert button and search for the download element, and once it appears, drag into your canvas and place it wherever you want. After that, select the download button and look at the properties panel on the right side, and then scroll down until you find the source option. Then make sure upload is selected, and then click choose file and select the PDF from your computer. You can also change the button text to something clear such as download PDF. And once everything is ready, save the changes and preview your website. And once someone clicks the button, the PDF will be downloaded to your computer. Now, for the second method, you can display the PDF directly on the page. So go back to the insert menu and search for the embed element and drag it onto your canvas. Then select the element and open the right side properties panel, and then scroll down and make sure the embed type is set to HTML. Next, paste the provided embed code into the HTML section, and then copy the link to your PDF and replace the PDF link inside the code with the correct one. After that, save your changes and preview the website again, and then the PDF should now appear directly on your Framer page, allowing visitors to view it without downloading it first. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.